Nassau Coliseum in Uniondale, New York. The Islanders rocking and rolling. The gears shifting, led by Matt Barzal, a 24-year-old star. Anthony Beauvillier, Brock Nelson, and a strong defense. Came short of the final just a year ago. But for now, a goalkeeper duo of Semyon Varlamov and Ilya Sorokin must hold the fort down. On the other side, the Lightning. They bolt and they jolt. They know how to win. The reigning champions back at it again in 2021. Braden Point, Nikita Kucherov attacking, Victor Hedman on defense, and a brick wall, Andrei Vasilevsky guarding the net. One of the most passionate fan bases. Next year, they change stadiums, but for now, they conquer and battle. Tampa knows how to rock. They know how to punish and how to get it done. But this year, same team, different challenge. Islanders, Lightning. Stamkos now plays back for Killorn. Killorn circling around, terrifying, and his shot, he scores! Oh, a beautiful chance! And Alexander Killorn with the first goal of the game. Scores! They score! Scores! Bergeron scores! His shot scores! It's over! The Bruins season is over! And it's the New York Islanders who are moving on to the Stanley Cup semifinals to face the Tampa Bay Lightning in what will be a rematch of last year's Eastern Conference Finals.